What up, guys? Still out riding here in Texas. Got some beautiful things. Oh, there was the thing that said keep out. You must not have saw that sign on the way in. Who's that up there? Is that a previous rider? Is that him? No? Oh, that's the other guy. He must have turned around a lot sooner. There's a little rockery stuff, slickery. Whoa. Loose, heavy loose gravel. Oh, down man, down man. Whoa. Stay. Ready? We're good. Oh, you got it. Yeah. Alright, so like middle. Alright. Fun times. Let's see if I can do it. What's just going on? I didn't drop it. It's an interesting cord. What do you think? Is that a rescue cord on the back of his bike?
Yeah.
It's a cool cord. Yeah. It's so hot. What's the temperature right now? See, that's a lesson in why you don't follow someone too closely. Because I could have went the same way he went and got stuck right where he got stuck. Apparently I need to work on my clutch control. Because I stalled trying to get up and out of there. But that's also because I didn't have a running start. So I had that very little momentum. So I just found out purple paint on a post means no trespassing. I did not know that. That's a Texas thing for sure. Whether yeah, I think we just put up no trespassing signs. I keep on. Well, we're definitely not where we're supposed to be. Alright guys, thanks.